Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best high chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of baby gear for new parents, transforming mealtime from a chaotic struggle into a joyful, interactive experience. And with so many options on the market, finding one that perfectly blends safety, comfort, and convenience, especially for smaller living spaces, can feel like a daunting task. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through the best foldable high chairs available today. Number 5. Cosco Kids Highchair Posey Pop. This highchair features a simple, intuitive folding mechanism. It makes storage and transport incredibly easy for busy parents. Designed with your lifestyle in mind, it offers unparalleled convenience. You'll appreciate how effortlessly it integrates into your daily routine. Despite its sturdy construction, this chair is remarkably lightweight. Moving it from room to room or taking it on trips is a breeze. Its compact design ensures it won't take up much space in your home. When folded, it becomes even smaller, perfect for tight storage. This highchair provides a safe and comfortable spot for your baby to enjoy meals. It's designed specifically with their comfort and your peace of mind in mind. Thanks to its lightweight and foldable nature, portability is a key benefit. You can easily take it to grandma's house or on family vacations. Setting it up for mealtime or folding it away afterwards takes just seconds. Its user-friendly design saves you valuable time. What we like? This first option is all about ultimate simplicity and portability. Its lightweight and compact design makes it incredibly easy to move and store. If you're looking for a no-fuss, easy-to-manage high chair for quick setup and takedown, this is your perfect match. What people say? No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. Introducing the Hiccapop OmniBoost, your perfect companion for mealtime on the go. This innovative booster seat ensures your little one always has a safe and comfortable spot. Whether you're at the dining table, camping, or visiting grandma's, it adapts effortlessly. Its versatile design makes every location baby-friendly. Designed for ultimate convenience, it folds down compactly. You can easily carry it wherever your adventures take you. Safety is paramount, and this booster features a tip-free design. It securely straps to most kitchen chairs, providing peace of mind for parents. It comes with a convenient tray, perfect for snacks and meals. This feature makes feeding time simple and mess-free for your child. What we like? Next up, we have a true travel companion. This booster seat is designed for on-the-go families, easily strapping to most dining chairs and featuring a tip-free design for safety. If you frequently visit friends, family, or even enjoy outdoor adventures like camping or the beach, this versatile and secure option is ideal. What people say? This high chair is very easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage and travel. The design features a removable tray that is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after meals. Number 3. Dream on Me Portable 2-in-1 Tabletalk High Chair. Introducing the Dream on Me Tabletalk High Chair. This innovative product is designed to make mealtime easier for both parents and babies. It offers a versatile 2-in-1 design, easily converting to suit your needs. You can use it as a full-size high chair or a booster seat. It is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces or for taking on the go. Converting it from one mode to another is simple and quick. It ensures your child always has a safe and comfortable spot to eat. Available in a modern gray finish, it blends seamlessly with any home decor. This chair is not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Experience hassle-free mealtimes with this convenient solution. It provides a secure and comfortable environment for your little one. What we like? Our third pick offers fantastic versatility with its 2-in-1 convertible design. It easily transitions to meet your child's growing needs, providing excellent value over time. If you're seeking a high chair that adapts as your little one grows and offers extended use, this convertible model is a smart investment. What people say? Number 2. Ingenuity Sun Valley Compact Folding Baby High Chair. Introducing a smart solution for mealtime. This high chair is designed for easy use and storage, perfect for any home. Your child's safety is paramount. It features a secure 5-point harness, keeping them snug and protected during meals. Enjoy peace of mind with its food-grade safe plate. This ensures a clean and healthy eating surface for your little one. Designed for growing babies, it's suitable for ages 6 months and up. This versatile chair adapts to your child's needs as they develop. Available in a charming teal, it blends seamlessly with your home decor. This unisex high chair offers both style and essential functionality. What we like? Moving on, this option prioritizes safety and hygiene. It features a secure 5-point harness and a food-grade safe plate for worry-free mealtimes and easy cleanup. If you value top-notch safety features and effortless cleaning after messy meals, this secure and practical choice is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source content is empty. Number 1. Mallify Foldable High Chair. This innovative high chair is designed for modern living. It folds compactly, making it perfect for smaller homes or when you need extra space. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring your little one always has a comfortable and safe feeding spot. Its lightweight design makes transport effortless. Featuring a removable double tray, mealtime messes are no longer a hassle. Simply detach it for quick and thorough cleaning, keeping things hygienic. This modern feeding chair is convertible, adapting to your child's needs as they grow. It offers versatility and long-term value for your family. Beyond its portability, it's also incredibly easy to clean. Its smooth surfaces and thoughtful design ensure maintenance is always a breeze. Presented in a chic beige, it blends seamlessly with any home decor. This chair adds a touch of elegance to your dining area. What we like? Finally, we have a high chair that excels in space saving and convenience. Its removable double tray makes cleanup a breeze, and its modern design fits seamlessly into any home. If you have limited space and appreciate a stylish, easy-to-clean solution that simplifies feeding times, this sleek and functional chair is a great fit. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.